We are diving straight into Canva's newest power move, turning a flat, single-layer image into a fully adjustable template. If you have ever uploaded a poster or a photo and wished you could move the text or swap the background without starting from scratch, this is the solution. First, upload your image or poster to a blank canvas. If you look at your position and layers right now, you will see it is just one flat layer. Everything is baked in. To fix this, select the image so the purple border appears. Then click Edit in the top menu bar. From the Magic Tools list, you need to click on Magic Grab or the Magic Layers tool. Once you click it, Canva analyzes the pixels and separates the elements. Now, when you look back at your position and layers, you will see it has become many layers. The important thing is that the text is no longer just part of the picture. It is now an editable text box. You can click directly on the words to change the name of your school, update a date, or increase the font size. Now, that goes both ways. While you gain the ability to move things, you might notice the AI has to fill in the gaps where the objects used to be. In my case, I can grab the main subject of the photo and slide them to the other side of the frame. You can also take those graphic elements, crop them, or move them here to the corner to better fit your new layout. If the background feels too cluttered, you can select it independently and replace it with a new photo or a solid color while keeping your original text exactly where it is. This essentially lets you unbake a design you've already finished. You can swap out logos, adjust the spacing of your headers, and rearrange the entire composition in seconds. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.